Today we will learn how to insert a number to sorted Python list to its proper position by using bisect method in Python. So first of all we will import bisect library. Next we will create a sorted Python list. The name of list is lst. This list has 7 elements. Next, we will print this list. After printing this list, we will input the element which we want to insert in lst Python list. The name of item is item. We will use input function for taking input from the user, and then we will cast this string input into an integer value by using int function. Next, print the item. After printing the item, we will get the index position where item will be inserted and the list will be still remain sorted. For this, we will use the function bisect of bisect library. So we will write index equal to bisect dot bisect. Next, in parentheses we will write first list name lst comma item. Next, print the index position. After printing the index position, now we will insert item to its proper index position by using insort function. So we will write bisect dot insert. Insort function takes two parameters. First one is Python list and second one is item. This function does not return any value, so the effect will be shown on original Python list lst. Next we will print our new Python list after the insertion of item. Please keep in mind that the index position of first element in Python list is 0, means first item 2 is stored in 0 index position. After the running of the program, we are inserting the item 14, so its index position is 5, and you can see new sorted Python list after insertion. Thank you.